I have a question for you. Never mind. I'm not gonna do my makeup, but anyways, my question is can I ask a question? Anyways, as you guys might know, I haven't been posting a lot. Also, do you guys like my nails? They're not that bad, you just can't really see all the detail on them. If you're asking, I didn't get left alone. My grandma is here with me, except she has fallen asleep and I do not want to be rude and wake her up. So now I'm just going to starve myself for now until my dad comes home or my brother comes home. Until my dad comes home and my brother comes home. Okay, so anyway. I am so well. I just kicked my sock drawer. I don't know if it's in my sock drawer. I don't think you want to see that. Anyways. If people from my school, from summer school, are watching, I'm sorry I've not been going to school. My mom says that I have to stay here to take care of my grandma instead of her taking care of me. Blah, 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 blah. So, yeah. So, I'm going to be coming back on Monday. And by the way, when I say that my grandma is here, I mean she has been sleeping over for 2 entire days. Or no, not 2. From this Sunday. 4 or 5 days, I don't know. She is snoring as loud, no offense. Anyways, I gotta go. And yes, I'm going to wake up my grandma to make her give me something to eat. Because I can't serve myself or else I'll burn myself when I don't know how to manage stuff. So bye-bye. Sorry for not posting.